Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is your girl Tashin. I am back. I'm back. So I'm gonna be reacting to this is Riley 4. I saw this video on my what you call it? You know, it shows you where your subscribers are watching, like the stuff that they watching. I saw this and I was like, all right, I'm gonna react to it. So here we are. Because I'm always trying to find something to react to, and I figure, okay, let me go see what my audience is watching and I'll go and react to it. So here we are. So let's get straight to it.
You request and jump here, caution, 3 right, wall on the outside. Now watch this one. 3 right, wall on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires.
This is scary.
80 down. Oh, you're all right, keep it together. That's it, keep it together. Keep it together. Hold it. That's the one.
He said that's the one.
Thing here now. Watch the chicane. That's the style. That's the style of her. Keep it together now, no?
I know that feel good. He did it. He did a great job. If it was me, I probably would have crashed. I probably wouldn't even listen to what he's saying because I'd probably be so nervous. He did a great job. Whoa. Okay. He almost flipped over. He almost did. I don't see how people stand there. I'll be so scared. I'll be so nervous. I couldn't stand there. I've seen videos before where the car crashed into the audience, into the crowd, I should say. And that's a scary thing. You see what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show y'all this. I'm gonna have to blur it because I know how YouTube is. Like, the person who posts this, they don't get copyright. But if I post it, I get copyright. So I might have to blur that part, the car crashing to the people. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to, blur that out. So I'm sorry. Whoa. That was fast. I know Rock's feeling hit his face. Whoa. What the? He was so close though. He was so close. I don't. Damn. I knew he was going fast. It's just the sound. He kind of almost crashed in a way, but he did a great job though. I don't know how they turn in these corners like that. I know what is going on with him. No. That poor kid is probably traumatized. I'm gonna have to blur that out too. This is because I know how YouTube work. I know how YouTube is. I already got copyright because of a video where I think a kid almost got hit by a car. I don't think, did the kid get hit by a car? I think the kid almost got hit by a car, and I got copyrighted for that. So you know how it goes. in the snow. Speeding on ice, well, I should say snow, is crazy. That's way more risky. Oh no. And you have to understand the drivers are protected because they have the helmet. They have like it strapped down into the car. They have like cushions inside their car. So they're more safer than the people that's out. Those people are not safe. So can you imagine if a car hits them? Oh my God. And the speed and the impact of a car hitting you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, it didn't hit them. It didn't hit them. It didn't hit them. But that smoke though, that the dirt. Ugh. They good. They good. They good. They good. Oh. That was impressive. Very impressive. I like that. I like that. Okay, okay, okay. He's showing off. He's showing. Uh-oh.
Dobra, Kaś.
Oh my gosh. I don't know how they doing this. This is so scary. Okay. Whoa. How's that car not running? He just standing there. I'd have been, but then again, he probably froze. That could happen. You so scared you can't even move your body, and then people be like, "Oh, why didn't you move? You were just standing there." Sometimes your body could freeze up like that because you're so scared to even move. He almost slid. He did a great job. He almost slid right off the road. I can't show that. I can't show that. I'm sorry, y'all. I know for a fact I can't show that. I can't. That is so scary. Oh my God. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nice, nice, nice.
Frein bord pour gauche 2, attention et 3. Frein bord pour gauche 2 et 3, attention. Putain les freins. Non, non. Ça va dodo. Ça va dodo. Oh, allez, c'est trop bien.
I'm telling them to move from this.
Okay. I can see why, and I'm gonna say mostly men likes to watch these type of things. It's the thrill. That's what it is. It's the thrill, and I get it. Because I enjoy watching it. The only thing that get me nervous is when they start crashing into people. That part gets me. I get very, very nervous. I get scared, and I'm praying that everybody was okay. But it's the speed, and these cars just gonna hit you. Like, that's dangerous. Very, very dangerous. It's a dangerous sport, but most people like it. They love it. I can understand the thrill, And some of the stuff they do, they very skillful. Very, very skillful. Especially when they turn those curves. It's like, whoa. Especially in a certain speed. It's like, how y'all doing that? But then again, it's practice. They all practice this. But anyway, comment below if you want to see me react to more of this. Give this video a like. Let me know. I'll probably do more. All right, y'all. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you lovely people. Take care. Peace.